Let me show you how we can add a very basic but useful bar chart in Excel. So here's my little table. I got some products and units for each product. And that's perfect data for our bar chart. So simply select all of that with your mouse first, so it's highlighted. Then head to Insert tab at the top, and you can see the different charts highlighted here. But we can actually open up this menu with recommended charts as well. They always got like 5 recommendations for us, and guess what? The very first one is the column one, but we can go here manually to the column chart, and this way we can add the basic bar chart. There are different styles. We can have a bars representing numbers popping up from the bottom or from the left. You could make it in a 2D or 3D like manner. So I go with classic 2D column chart, also called a bar chart. And now for each item, each product, I got this data on the bar chart showing here on the left. And of course we can modify this chart a little bit. Simply double tap on it to have some additional option here on the right. You may notice they give us several different styles to choose from here at the top. So maybe there are some ready to use styles you like. Maybe you prefer dark backdrop, or you prefer this clean minimalistic look with any extra lines. You can choose it from here. Take a look. Of course, if you double tap on some elements in the chart, you will have option to customize them here at the right side of your screen. So feel free to do it as well. There are special effects like shadows or glows, but also the basic stuff like adding fill colors, changing text, adding transparencies, and all of that we can see in the chart. Alright, so here it is. And keep in mind, if you change your mind and you want to try different type of chart, you can do it from here. You can change the chart type, but be sure your chart is selected, otherwise you cannot see this option. Okay, so you can change it to pie chart, and again we got some ready to use styles here for the top, or we can go all the way back to column chart to bar chart, and here it is. I hope this video was a helpful refresher. See you in the next one.